not here today, but I wanted to give you a little direction for the lab activity you're going to do. We're just using plastic cups and a plastic graduated cylinder, and then you'll need 2 different colors of food coloring, which should be here at your desk, at your lab desk, whichever one you choose, and then you're just going to use tap water, so you actually don't need to wear goggles. You should get a sheet, looks like this, it says Dilution Activity, 8th block underneath it. So the only change from what the other classes are going to do is you need to tweet me a picture of your 6 solutions when you're finished. So I'm going to do the first one with you. So it's a good thing to have out that sheet in front of you while I'm doing this. So the procedure, it says add 12 drops of food coloring to 100 milliliters of tap water in a clear cup. Swirl to mix and label it solution A. So our clear cups have tags on them. We borrowed them from another room. So just leave the masking tape on there. But I have red masking tape at each station, so I'm going to label this solution A. And I already measured out 100 milliliters. My right cup, yep. So I got 100 milliliters of water in my solution A. Okay. So I have solution A. No, that's not working. And I'm going to add 12 drops of food coloring. Doesn't matter what color you pick. Just whichever one you want to start with. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're learning about dilutions. You're going to be diluting this solution. So I have a nice red solution here when it gets all mixed in there. This is solution A. So this is what we call a stock solution. We're going to pretend, and we're going to say that the concentration is now 2.4 molar. That's number 1 on your procedure. Number 2 says make 200 milliliters of a 0.24 molar solution from solution A in a separate cup. So we have this stock solution at 2.4 molar. What we want to do is make another solution from that stock solution. We're going to call this solution B, and it should be 0.24. So it should be much more dilute than our original solution. So to do that, I need to use my M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2 equation. So I'm going to show you the work for a second so that you could pause it. Can you guys see that? All right, so I took my dilution equation and I plugged in M1. I'm starting with my stock solution at 2.4. I want to find what volume of that stock solution do I need to add to my new solution. If I want my new solution to be 0.24 molar and I want 200 milliliters of it. So I went through and I solved for V1 and I got 20 milliliters. So I need to get 20 milliliters of my stock solution. I need to add it here, okay? So I'm going to start by doing that. 20 milliliters. Okay, so I measured out 20 milliliters of my stock, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to my solution B. Okay, and then the second question says how much water was added to make solution B. Well, if I have 20 milliliters and I want a total of 180 for my solution, or sorry, I want 200 for my solution, then I'm going to have to add 180 milliliters to that. So let me get my extra tap water here, and these cylinders just go up to 100. Do 100, add it in my solution B. Put this down a little bit, you'll be able to see it. There we go. And I'm going to need to get a little bit more tap water, I think. And I'm going to measure out the 80. Remember, eye level is important. All right. And then 80. So I should have a total of 100 or 200 milliliters of solution total in my solution. So then I have solution A and I have solution B. Okay. So that's what you're going to do. This is my first 2 solutions. The next question, number 3, says make 100 milliliters of a 0.012 solution. That's the concentration from solution B in a separate cup. So then you're going to need another cup, and you're going to label that solution B, solution C, and you're going to be losing part of solution B to make this one. Okay, so you can see, I'll put this up. obviously our stock solution is much more concentrated than our diluted solution B, right? So you're going to end, don't clean them out. You should have 6 cups, which is plenty to make what you need to make. When you're done with all 6, I would like you to take a picture, and one person from your group needs to tweet it. And then just add at Marilyn the Mole, so that it'll come up and I'll see it. Just my way of making sure at a glance that you guys did this correctly. So those are calculations you need to do as you go, and then there are some questions on the back, okay? Um, email me if you have questions. I'll have my computer on me. Otherwise, good luck, and we'll see you next class.